Fully unfold paper towel on top of a clean table. Start folding the paper towel into small folds until completely folded. Make small folds on the sides of the paper towel to where the rubber bands will be placed. Put on the rubber bands to the folded sides and staple them one at a time. To make it easier to put on the improvised mask, carefully open the folded paper towel. Put on the mask. Make sure that the mask is well fitted by adjusting it from your nose bridge to your chin.